So we have information for you. आपको एक information देने के लिए अभी आया था. And we'll go for the topics. So I'll put it on board for you. Note it down. The new GATE exam 2024 that has been announced. Yes, GATE 2024. इसकी notifications और details मैं आपको दे देता हूँ. See, technically it is graduation aptitude test for engineering, but they have added English literature. English literature has been added as a subject. Till now they have conducted 3 GATE exams. Now this one will be the 4th one. So notification details are for you. Forms, they have started online application 31st of August. So technically you can fill the form. Right? Second thing that you have to remember, they are talking about the information brochures and everything that has already been given. The last 3 exams conducted in the month of Feb only. So till now all the GATE exams are conducted in the month of Feb, plus the old GATE exams where English was not included, that was also being conducted in the month of Feb only. फरवरी में एग्जाम होने के चांसेस हैं. 31st से फॉर्म आ गया है. दैट्स द ओनली डिटेल वी हैव राइट नाउ. नाउ वन मोर थिंग, दिस इज ISC बैंगलोर. दिस इज नॉट बाय एन IIT नाउ. ये बैंगलोर ने किया है, IISC बैंगलोर. So if you want to go for appearing these things, you can take centers anywhere. You can have your centers in Delhi also. So बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Fill the forms. Now the second question, what is the benefit of GATE exam? GATE देने का फायदा क्या है? तो first, let's, instead of going for practical reasons and all, what's wrong in giving GATE exam? Especially the students who are preparing for the toughest exams. It's graduation level English literature. You will definitely qualify. The problem will be in the maths portion. It has maths, and that is engineering level maths. So those who are good at it should go for it. Those who are not good in maths but are good in English, you should also go for it. If you are good in maths and English both, you will have great score. If you're bad like me in maths, good in English, you will have 200, 300 rank. It will be an add-on certificate for you. Extra certificate hoga. Plus, engineering colleges, IITs, they also have English departments. Humanities department hota hai wahan pe. And they do not go for NET because they come in under CSIR categories. Or the IITs have their own stream. So to become assistant professor in IITs or in engineering college, GATE score will work for you. But remember, it is only for 3 years. If you qualify GATE, your GATE validity is for 3 years. Many of our students have made in PhDs, IIT PhDs or MNITs. Plus GATE IIT में अगर select हो जाते हो, तो आपके work के base पे आपको scholarship मिलने के chances हैं. So I think you should go for it. There is no loss. You will have a practice, you will get a certificate, and suppose you go for an interview where everybody is coming with a NET or a JRF, you are going with NET, JRF, GATE. You will have more value. And if IITs launched it, it means there is a reason behind this. So what if they all of a sudden give a call that we are releasing some new vacancies for IITs, for MNITs, for engineering colleges under government, and we will only welcome GATE qualified people. Because in IITs they don't need NET, they don't even count it, they don't care. They respect PhD. उनको PhD जरूर अच्छा लगेगा. So if you have GATE score, then a NET or a PhD, you will have far better chances. You are already in the process, पढ़ाई कर ही रहे हो. The best thing, who can apply? So anybody who is in graduation final year. So if you have not done your graduation, you are still in final year, 3rd year or 6th semester, you still have to give your exams. Or you are in graduation 2nd year, 4th semester, appearing in the 3rd one, 5th semester. You can apply. Minimum percentage kuch bhi nahi hai. There is no minimum requirement of percentage of anything like that. Plus, if you want to fill the form of English GATE and you don't have English in your graduation subject, or you come from engineering background, then also you can choose any subject. So अगर आप English वाले हो और आपको mechanical engineering देना, फॉर्म भर दो, कोई इशू नहीं है. एग्जाम हो जाएगा, पास नहीं होगा अलग बात है. लेकिन इफ यू आर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड, फ्रॉम कॉमर्स, मैनेजमेंट और किसी और बैकग्राउंड से, दे हैव गिवन 6 सब्जेक्ट्स: कंप्यूटर साइंस, साइकोलॉजी, फिलोसफी, इंग्लिश. सो आउट ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स, साइकोलॉजी, फिलोसफी इज नॉट दैट मच रिक्वायर्ड स्पेशली, क्योंकि उसमें तो परफेक्शन MA और नेट ही माना जाता है. इन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर यू कैन गो फॉर इट. एनी अदर इन्फॉर्मेशन, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन यू वांट टू आस्क? ग्रेजुएशन रिक्वायर्ड, पीजी करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट इज ग्रेजुएशन. यू आर ऑल आर ग्रेजुएट. You all can apply. ठीक है, सेंटर बेंगलोर लेना बेंगलोर लो, अदरवाइज यू विल हैव योर सेंटर्स इन दिल्ली. इफ यू फिल द फॉर्म्स, ये आईआईटीज के अंदर ही सेंटर मिल जाएगा आपको. डोंट हैव टू गो एनीवेयर. बेस्ट सजेशन ये है, गो फॉर इट. दिस इज द टाइम ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन. You should have as much certificates as you can. Try to have make your resume more worthy. हमारे साथ एक लड़का आता था इंटरव्यू देने दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में. I have literally seen people talking about this thing that let's go. चलते हैं, अब हमारा नहीं सिलेक्शन होगा. One of my friend now is a writer also, cultural study का. We have taught together, Arup Chatterjee. 40 pages का CV लेके आता था, 40 pages. How many pages normally we have in our CVs? 1, 2, 3, 40 पेजेस. न जाने कितने पेपर्स लिख रखे हैं, कितनी किताबें. अभी भी है, इंडियंस इन लंदन करके उसकी बड़ी फेमस बुक चल रही है. एंड ही हैज रिटन ऑन कल्चर स्टडीज, ट्रैवलिंग्स पे लिखा उसने. इमेजिन अ पर्सन कम्स विद 40 पेजेस सीवी. पेपर्स taught in America, taught in London, this and that. So if you have a CV which is heavy, it works for you. कुछ भी नहीं तो MNITs में जॉब मिल जाएगा. Plus, you will have more options. इंडिया में 12,000 प्लस इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस है. इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस का पैकेज अच्छा होता है, इवन इन प्राइवेट सेक्टर. नॉर्मल प्राइवेट सेक्टर कॉलेज से इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज प्राइवेट सेक्टर गिव्स यू मोर मनी. So if you have a GATE certificate and suppose you are struggling, not getting any chance, go to engineering college, show the GATE certificate. They'll be giving you 40,000 plus. So struggling with unemployment, or having 40,000 rupees salary and then again are targeting government job, which is better? Job के साथ. So GATE, it should be in your list. ये smart choice है, and all you have to do is just fill the form. This batch is enough for English literature purposes. You don't have to read anything else. This is more than enough. We will set you free by the mid of November or the end of November. Exam is in the month of Feb. You just have to revise things. कुछ पढ़ना भी नहीं है. जो ऑफलाइन बैच में हो, कुछ पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. फिल द फॉर्म, यू विल डेफिनेटली क्वालिफाई. ग्रेजुएशन लेवल एग्जाम होगा, बेसिक क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट वी गो फॉर रैपिड फायर, यू विल हैव दोज क्वेश्चंस इन एग्जाम. सो गो फॉर इट, यू विल हैव द सर्टिफिकेट्स विद यू, राइट? ओके, सो लेट्स गो फॉर द टॉपिक्स.